what are ceramides and who should be using them in their skincare? Hi, I'm Dr. Morgana Colombo, board-certified dermatologist practicing in Virginia and founder of Vida Derma, a skincare line for smart skin as you age. So ceramides are a group of lipids or fats that help form the foundation of a healthy skin barrier. They live in the stratum corneum, which is the outermost layer of your skin. Ceramides also help to hold your skin cells together. By keeping the skin barrier intact, ceramides prevent water from escaping, protect against irritants, and reduce the likelihood of inflammation or infection. Ceramides are so important that nearly half of all the lipids in the stratum corneum are ceramides. Any disruption in their levels can have major effects on your skin health. So how do ceramides work? Ceramides work along with cholesterol and free fatty acids to create tightly organized layers within your skin's matrix. These layers control hydration and shield the skin from environmental stressors. When ceramides are missing, damaged, or unbalanced, your skin becomes more vulnerable to dryness, irritation, and sensitivity. This is actually the case in many skin conditions, but especially in conditions like atopic dermatitis, psoriasis, and ichthyosis. These three skin problems have increased transepidermal water loss and compromised skin barrier function. How can you make sure your skin's protected? Luckily, there are many ceramide-containing skincare products that can help you. These skincare products are especially beneficial for people with weakened or disrupted skin barriers. One group of patients that can really benefit from the use of ceramide in their skincare routine are patients with atopic dermatitis or eczema, as I mentioned before. These patients are the most well-established group to benefit from ceramide-rich formulations. Patients with eczema naturally have lower ceramide levels and altered lipid profiles. This makes their skin more prone to dryness and inflammation. Topical ceramides help restore the skin barrier integrity, increase hydration of the skin, and reduce skin irritation. All of these things improve symptoms and overall skin comfort in patients with eczema. So these patients will have less itching, less dryness. It's really beneficial for them to use those ceramide-containing creams. Another group of people who can really benefit from creams containing ceramides are people with very dry skin. If you have very dry skin or sensitive eczema-prone skin, look for skincare products that have ceramides. These formulations rebuild the lipid structure, protect against environmental triggers, and help prevent allergen penetration. So the next skin condition where ceramides can play a beneficial role is psoriasis. Psoriasis patients have skin inflammation and skin barrier disruption. For these patients, using ceramides as part of their daily routine can be really helpful for symptom control. So certain age groups are even at higher risk for barrier dysfunction. Infants have immature lipid systems, while older adults naturally lose lipids as the skin ages. Both groups benefit from daily ceramide-containing hydration to reduce irritation and support healthy barrier development and preservation. People with diabetes or chronic conditions associated with severe dryness can also see meaningful improvements if they use ceramide-containing creams. In this case, this ceramide use in the skincare routine really helps reduce the risk of cracks, irritation, and secondary infection by restoring the much needed lipid balance. So another group that I have to mention here because it's sort of like a really big interest of mine is estrogen deficient women really have an impaired barrier and are losing ceramides. So as you go through perimenopause and post-menopause, your skin becomes drier, more sensitive, more irritated. So it's really important to incorporate moisturizers to replenish ceramides and restore your barrier that is becoming dysfunctional. If you're looking for a thick moisturizer that has ceramides to protect your skin and also has petrolatum, which can allow your skin to hold on to moisture better, check out our Restore Cream. It's our intensive barrier repair cream, which is literally a mix of like ceramides and petrolatum with some antioxidants. Amazing cream. If you're interested, check our website, and I have that linked below. So what questions do you have about your skin? Leave them in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.